How to log in into My Pepsico SSO account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up any web browser that you're comfortable with in your device. After you open it, you land on this interface. Now in the search bar, search for My Pepsico SSO Login. Press enter in your keyboards. After you get to this interface, head over to the first link that says SSO Login Services. Click on it. After that, you'll be redirected to the login page. So first of all, you have to enter a user ID associated with your account or email address or global person ID, that is GPID, associated with your account. Make sure you enter your correct user ID and under that type in your password, and make sure you type in your correct password. If you want to save in your login information, click on this checkbox that says remember me so that the next time you don't have to enter your login information to log in into this Pepsico account. In case you forgot your password, there is a link provided that says forget password. Click on it, follow some instructions, and then that will help you out to recover your account. If you need any help regarding login, there is a next link that says login help. Click on it and it will get all the login services. Go to it and that will help you out with the login problem. Or if you are a first time user and you don't have an account yet, you can create an account with this link that says first time user. Click on it again, follow some instructions, and then you will have an account. Now here, if you are done typing in your user ID and password, click on this login button. And if you have entered the correct login information, you will be logged into your Pepsico account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.